Hello beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this palm nut extract. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So I'm gonna be using palm nuts, and this is my palm nuts washed properly, and I'll go ahead to boil till it is soft, and after that I'll go ahead to pound it. So I'm gonna pound this till everything is done, and I'll go ahead to add in hot water. So this hot water is gonna be the one that your hands can relax in, okay, not the one that is gonna burn your hands. So I'll go ahead to wash this properly till it is clean. After doing this, you can add in more hot water, wash another batch until it is clean. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I really appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, share this video to your friends and your loved ones. Okay, so I'm still adding in hot water. I'm gonna wash this till it is clean, and this is the shaft from it. So you can go ahead to can and refrigerate it when you are ready to use it. Try this, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.